A beautiful good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Children, how are you? Hope you all are safe at your homes. Children, today we will go to discuss one more new topic, that is International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration. Everyone open your textbook. Our first chapter, Knowing Our Numbers. In the previous class, we already discussed 3 exercises. Today, we will go to discuss about International System of Numeration. To be able to read numbers, we have to separate numbers, international system and Indian system. So, Indian system use only our India, international system used worldwide. Okay, international system used worldwide. For example, we read this place lakhs. This is 10 lakhs. But many other countries using one more system. International System of Numeration. Look this number, dear children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. This is 7 lakhs number. This is 3,000. This is 9 tens. This is 80 lakhs. We read this in our country. Many of countries using ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Many of countries using this system. 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay? This is international system, Nana. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million is international system. For suppose the number is 456 90255. This number our Indian system. How to write our Indian system? How to write this number in Indian system? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. First, you have to separate place value wise. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, this like we read in our Indian system. So keep the commas after 3 digit, again after 2 digit, again after 2 digit. This number read as crore in 4 place, no? 4 crores. 4 crores, 56 lakhs, 90,000, 200, and 55. Keep these commas. 4 crores after, 56 lakhs after, 90,000 after, 255. When we write this number, same number, when we write international system, 45690,255. When we write this number in international system, International system. First write this number. Then separate place values. You know how to write place values international system. You learned previous classes. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. After 100,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million. You also follow with me children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million. Million, 10 million. Comma comes every 3 digit from the right. Comma comes after every 3 digit from the right. This side on right side. This side every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. This is international system now. Remember this Nana. Every 3 digit after from the right. Every 3 digit after keep comma. Ones, tens, hundreds place after keep 1 comma. Then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000 after keep 1 comma. Again million, 10 million. Okay. Now write this number name as 45 millions. 45 millions. 45 millions. 690 thousands. 690,000. 255. 255. 55. Once again I will explain. When you write in international system, you have to write separate place value wise. First ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. Every 3 digit after keep comma. Then write number name. Children, have you noticed there is no change. 10,000 place, 10,000 place. In Indian system, international system, up to 10,000 place is same. Okay. Here 10,000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. This side also, Indian system also, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. After lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Here 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, let us compare the difference of Indian system and international system. Let us compare the places is both system of better understanding. Let us compare both systems, Indian system and international system. Look here children, here international system, these all are short forms Nana. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Next billion, B for billion. Okay. Keep commas every 3 digit after this international system. Okay, this and here and here. Okay, every 3 places after keep comma. This is international system. Once again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Okay. In Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds. Next, in our Indian system, places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Have you observed anything for here? Here, up to 10,000 place, ones, tens, hundreds, 10,000s, 10,000. Here, both systems are same. Then lakhs place after changing. Okay, lakhs equal to 100,000. 10 lakh equal to million. Crore equal to 10 million. 10 crore equal to 100 million. 100 crore equal to billion. Okay, from this table 100 crore. 100 crore is equal to 1 billion. 1 billion. Okay, 10 lakhs equal to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 1 million. Okay, just compare this table Nana for understanding. Up to 10,000 places, both systems are same, Indian system, international system. 10,000 after, this one become, lakhs become 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. So, 10 lakhs equal to 1 million, 100 crore equal to billion, 1 crore is equal to 1 crore. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 million. Okay, this like compare Nana. Next, go to exercise 1.4. In your textbook page number 10, exercise 1.4. First Roman is write the numbers using commas according to the international system of numeration. Here one given number is there. Write the numbers using commas. Given number, first separate commas according to the international system of numeration. According to the international number of numeration. Here 97645 This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. They are asking international system. So first we keep commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay. How to keep commas in international system? Every 3 digit after keep comma. Okay. So now it's like we have to write Nana. Write the numbers using commas according to the international system. They are asking only commas, no? Second one, 200048421. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. First, write places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. How to keep commas in international system? Every 3 digit after keep comma Nana. Next go to third one. This number read as 20,48,421. Okay. Third one. Third one is 476,356. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. This is 6 digit number. So 100 place after keep comma. This number read as 476,356. 476,356. First one is 97,645,315. Second one is 20,48,421. Third one is 476,356. Fourth one, write in your homework book Nana. Go to second Roman. Second one is collect the mobile numbers of your friends and other family members. Write them using commas and read them in international system. In your mobile number, how many numbers are there? Every mobile number has 10 numbers only, no? So, collect 10 numbers. Collect 10 phone numbers, your friends, family members. Ask them their phone numbers and keep commas. Read them in international system. Keep commas after. Write that number name also. Okay. Second one also homework. For example, this is 10 digit number, no? Phone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one phone number. For example, 1, 2, 3. 3 digit after comma. 1, 2, 3. Again, international system, no? That's why we have to keep commas this like. Okay. So, then separate place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Next billion. Okay, 100 millions after billion. Separate place value is then very easy to write number name. Okay, so then very easy to write number name. 7 billion, 823 million, 947,651. This like you have to collect 5 phone numbers of your neighbors, friends. Then keep in commas by international system. Write that number name also. Okay. Go to third one. Third one. Write the numbers in words both Indian and international system. First one, second one is there. Second one is homework. First one I will explain. Third question is write the numbers in words in both Indian system and international system. Given number, separate place value wise, write in two systems. What are that? Indian system and international system. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit number, Nana. First, separate Indian system. Okay, write Indian system separate from commas. Indian system. Indian system. Given number. Then this number separate place value wise. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Indian system. Here Indian system. So remember place values, dears. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 10,000 after lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Okay? Crore, 10 crore. How to keep commas in Indian system? First 3 digit from the right. First 3 digit after from the right. Keep comma. Again remaining next 2 digit after. Again 2 digit after. Okay? This like we keep commas in Indian system. Now write in words. First write this number name. 4. 12 crore. 31 lakhs. 31 lakhs. 15,000. 15,000. 27. 50,000 and 27. 27. Okay. 12 crore. 31 lakhs. 15,000. 27. Okay. First, whatever number system it may be, you have to separate place value wise, Nana. Here asking Indian system, no. That's why you have to take 10,000 after lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, that like. After keep commas. Then write in words given number. Next, this number write in international system. Here Indian system completed. Then go to international system. International system. international system. 1 2 3 11 5027. So this is international system now. So you have to write place values: ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds after thousands, 10,000s, 10,000 after. This is international system now. So here we have to write 100,000s. 100,000 after million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. How to keep commas in international system? We have to keep commas 3 digit after. Every 3 digit after. Okay. Every 3 digit after keep commas. Then write in words. 123 millions 100 123 millions 123 millions 115,000 115 thousands and 27 and 27. Okay, once again I will explain international system. First, given number separate from place value wise. First from the right to, we have to keep commas after 3 digit. 3 digit mean 100 digit after keep 1 comma. Next 100,000 after keep 1 comma. Then write number name 123 million 115,000 and 27. Okay, second one is homework, Nana. Read the number carefully. Fourth one, go to fourth one, Nana. Read the number carefully and write the given answers. Okay, here one number given for us. It is separate already in commas. Do you observe this is what number? This is international number. Why? How we said here every 3 digit after keep comma. So this is international system. This number is in international system. Given number is 3 ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, this is in international system. Why? Because here every 3 digit after keep commas. That's why this is in international system number. So ask these questions. The digit at millions place. Then you have to separate place value wise. None of this like. So very easy to write these answers. Okay. The digit at millions place. Where is in millions place? 2. Where is in millions place? The digit at millions place is 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. The digit at hundreds place. The digit at hundreds place. Which number is there in hundreds place? 4. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. The digit in 10 millions place. The digit in 10 millions place. 10 millions. 10 millions place which number is there? Here 0 is there. So the digit in 10 millions place is 0. Answer is 0. How many millions are there in the number? How many millions are there in the number? How many millions are there in the number? In this number, millions, 302 millions. Here 302 millions. 302 millions. Okay, the digit at millions place is 2, the digit at hundreds place is 4, the digit in 10 millions place, 10 millions place is 0 is there now, so we have to write here 0. How many millions are there in the number? In millions only 2 numbers. Here how many millions are there totally? 302 millions. Okay Nana, this exercise over. Everyone send your homeworks regularly. Meet next class.